What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your 3M adhesive tape that goes onto the wall without causing any damage whatsoever. You can see here someone's tried to remove a whole heap of them and just literally damaged all the walls throughout this whole property. I'm going to show you guys how to remove it nice and simple without causing any damage whatsoever and save you guys money. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So to remove the adhesive, obviously you've got the little tab here, but what you need to do is not pull it away from the wall. What we're going to do is keep our fingers up against the wall and we're going to simply pull down. I mean, it sounds very, very simple and it is. However, if you do this wrong, you'll cause damage. So press down so you make sure it's nice and flat up against the wall. Start stretching down. Once again, keep it up against the wall, stretch it down. Keep it up against the wall, stretch it down. And there you have it. Nice and simple, it doesn't cause any damage as long as you remove it properly. If you were to remove it like the other people have been removing it, which is just basically grabbing onto the tab and pulling back like that, that's where you cause damage. So once again, show you guys over here. Got another skinny one over here. This one looks like a different brand, but either way, keep it up against the wall. As long as you keep it up against the wall, everything will come off nice and easy. Just pull it down nice and consistently. That's it. Nice and simple. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. This is going to save you literally thousands of dollars instead of having damage all over the place. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. You've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.